amazing how much you can fit in a backpack when you find out how much a suitcase is going to cost. Anyway, it was a quick trip down to Gatwick. It was the missus's birthday, and we were taking a short break to a place called Turkey. Managed to get a good deal on the parking with a company called Purple Parking. It was a bit of a mission finding the parking area, but when we did get there, we managed to drive straight in. It seemed as if they were expecting us. I think they got some kind of number plate recognition system. But anyway, yeah, we just left the keys, and there was a courtesy bus waiting to take us to the airport. It was about a 10-minute drive from the parking to the actual airport terminal. Airport was empty. I don't know if it's due to the conflict in the world at the moment, but yeah, it was nice to have a quiet space. The flight was also empty. We managed to get 2 rows to ourselves on the flight. 4 hours. The flight seemed to take forever to take off. When we did get to Turkey, that airport was also empty. Our hotel was really clean and the staff were friendly. All in all, a good trip.